Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out planting. I'm trying to introduce a little bit of blue to this area. This is Hibiscus bluebird, and Hibiscus bluebird is a fantastic hardy shrub. Flowers in late spring and early summer with reasonably sized blue flowers. It likes a sunny and free draining spot to do well. It's going to grow roughly about 5 feet high and about the same across. Just want to introduce a little bit of blue to this area and a little bit of height. We took out a decent sized planting hole for it, putting a handful of super try at the bottom, a couple of handfuls in there, get it off to a good start in life in the bottom of the planting hole. That's all mixed up there with some Swellwell compost at the bottom of the planting hole. Take it out of his pot now. So out he comes, loosen the roots a little bit, and we're just going to put it in that's the same depth as the surrounding soil. So all that super try you've gone in there at the bottom, some Swellwell compost mixed with the soil. No excuses for this one, but super thrive is very important. Planting fertilizer to use with all your plants. If you're planting hedging or trees or perennials, it's really excellent. So we have a mixture of some compost and soil, some Swellwell compost and soil gone back in around there. Swellwell compost has got 12 months slow release fertilizer and a wetting agent, so it will keep it in good condition right through the spring and summer and get it settled in here. We expect a few flowers this year. I wouldn't expect miracles, but next year we'll get a decent amount of flowers that's here for years and years to come. So about 5 feet high by 5 feet across. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.